So now you can view my computer screen. Well, so I have already installed and activated the WordPress in my local server, and the URL is called FSE local, which is full meaning full site editing, because in this tutorial I'm going to show you how the WordPress full site editing feature works. So I have already mentioned in the previous video, the full site editing allows the user to make complete fully custom header, footer and page template, and WordPress by default introduced these awesome features. In currently it's in beta version. If you learn this or if you follow this video, then you'll be able to create or you'll be able to use any kind of WordPress theme that comes with a full site editing features in the future. And for this tutorial, I'll be converting this design that I have created using Figma. And if you take a look at closely here, you can see the design is very simple. It's very simple design, but I was trying to make it a little bit professional or catchy with some graphics and some proper information here. But hopefully it doesn't take us so much time. So I just created only one page here, which is home page. And I'm not going to create any other page like about, service or contact in this part, but I'll be creating them later on. So let's jump into my WordPress dashboard so that I can create the necessary pages, and also I can create the basic or complete the basic settings inside the WordPress dashboard. So now here you can see my WordPress dashboard. Now if I go to appearance and themes, currently, as you can see, I am using 2022 WordPress. So if you are new to WordPress, or if you want to build your career or want to learn WordPress and Gutenberg, then this video is perfect for you. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to create all the necessary pages here. So I'm not going to use the default page. I'm going to delete this one. And now click you can navigate to the trash also, and then you can also delete them from here permanently. And now click on add new. So you can click or type here home and view the page. It looks like this. Now I'm going to click on dashboard and create a new tab here a couple of times. So if you want to know, or if you want to create all the page together, then I have a complete video tutorial about it. You can find this video on the eye icon, and also you can find the video in the descriptions. That will help you to create a multiple page at a time. So I'm not going to install any plugins at this moment, or I'm not going to create more than so many pages here, because I'm just going to create a few sample page for my tutorial, for this tutorial. Well, let's type here blog and contact. Click publish. So I think I have created the necessary pages here. Yes, now I'm going to click on settings and go to permalink. And it's already selected post name, so make sure you have selected the post name here and click save changes. Then navigate to the reading and click over here to change the home page to home and the post page to blog. Click save changes, and that's the basic settings that you should at least complete after installing the WordPress before starting any project. And if I go to plugins here, you can see there is no other third-party plugins at all. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use some custom CSS. That's why I would like to use or install a plugin called custom CSS. So I just click here to add new and type here custom CSS. Then I'm going to install this plugin. It's simple custom CSS plugins that will allow you to insert custom CSS inside your WordPress dashboard, because currently there is no customizer settings into the full site editing theme features, which is default WordPress theme, and that's why we have to install a third-party plugin for this. So I will talk about these features in the next part. First of all, I'd like to deactivate the plugin at this moment, and I will show you the difference between the default WordPress theme and full site editing WordPress theme. So thank you so much.